Welcome to the Heads Up. This is where I get wrecked so you don't have to. Here, I give you a heads up on how to navigate different Linux distros and technologies in under 5 minutes. Here we go. The other day, I was live streaming and I wanted to play around with OpenMandriva Linux. Initially, I tried to install the XFCE image, but it just hung and it wouldn't load in my virtual machine. I use Virt Manager, by the way. I tried some trickery in the grub menu, but to no avail, so I installed the minimal version of Plasma that they have. Now, my initial goal was to install a tiling window manager and some of my favorite utilities. XFCE isn't in the repos of OpenMandriva, even in the non-free repo or the testing repo. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. I opened up my Brave browser and looked for the solution in their AI, and it disappointed bigly. It gave me some really bad advice. I almost gave up when I finally stumbled upon the solution. It was like a light bulb went off in my head, an epiphany, if you will. Did I just come out of a meditative state and stumble upon the answer? Did I pray to Jesus like I normally do? No, I just used ChatGPT. It gave me the answer, and I immediately was able to install XFCE4 on OpenMandriva after 2 hours of getting wrecked on a live stream. I'll leave the solution in the comments section below. Also, check out my merch in my Discord server. If you like this video, feel free to binge watch my stuff. Thanks for watching, nerds.